Hi, I am Veerababu, and this is AgriGuard project, a cost-aware multi-agent crop monitoring system that I built for Kaggle AI Agents Capstone in the Agents for Good to Track. Here's the problem: the small farms are starting to get access to AI-driven monitoring, like soil sensors, pest tracking, weather feeds, but running every single sensor reading through a cloud AI model is expensive. At the same time, a cheap local model alone isn't always something you would trust to act completely on its own, especially for something like deciding to spray pesticides and give water, etc., to the farm. So the question is, I have built an AgriGround project. If this, what if the system only paid for expensive intelligence like the frontier models like Gemini, which is actually needed as a second option, and never took a high stakes action without a safety check that is like a human backing it up. Here we have this is the complete architecture of the project where the sensor is collecting the data and it will send to the local agent which is running in our local hardware. I used Ollama for accessing the open source models. Here I used Gemma 4 model for it, and for the second opinion, which as this model is very small, local model is very small, so it cannot take few decisions. So if the decision is uncertain, so it will go and ask the Gemini cloud model, which is a frontier model and an intelligent model. So it will decide, the cloud model will decide whether that action suggested by the local model is correct or not. If it is correct, both will get an agreement and it will do the action. Or if this local agent gives the wrong assumptions, then the cloud agent will correct that one and do the actions. If both actions are being disagreed by both the models, then it will ask for the human, I mean like me, to a chatbot using Telegram. I used Telegram for this one. So it will ask me, and based on the human suggestions, it will do the actions for us. So let me walk through you the live demo of the code. So I have wired all my code base into our batch script file. So if I try to run this one, so now we can able to see the live logs and also the communication between the two models, and also the model how it is responding to the specific task and making decisions, and how it is coming through our Telegram bot. So this is how it is used to run, and this is the cycle which it has already been started. So if I go to our Telegram bot here, so this is my bot, Vira AI bot. So if I ask status of the current, it will give the live status of the current sensors data. So it will ask nothing to wait, results on its own. So if I go here, I can able to see the latest data from it. So you see here, the live agent has been decided, the local Ollama model. So the reasoning is soil moisture is well with optimal ranges, so no decision, no override has been taken. So again, the second cycle it is taken from another sensor and took the actions for it. So whether if something disagreement is made, so it will get a message to me. So if you see here a cloud AI override, it is calling uh, Gemini model. So here we can able to see the disagreement, and if we open it, then we can able to see the message from the model. So if I give the spray pesticide, then it will redirect it to the model. So again, we do have another message from it suggestion. If I do no action, so now it is take no action now. So if you go here, it will check no action as a safety rule layer, no action. It is overriding the decision. So this is how usually we can able to monitor and control using a cheap AI model. So whenever it is required, a new the frontier model will take the decisions. If both are getting disagreement, we can get a human loop here, so that we can able to check, give the instructions to the model directly here. So here I used a bot further to create the bot API. So now I can able to see whatever the instructions are being here. So if I give spray a pesticide, so again I can able to see the logs, then able to see spray pesticide here, spray pesticide. So we can able to see in the log. So I also built a HTML file for it, live log, so that we can actually see what the models are doing and what they are thinking and everything. and we can also see the logs in the bottom. So how much cost it is doing and what are the logs and what models are talking, everything we can able to monitor from here. This is my project, and thank you so much for this opportunity from to the Kaggle. Thank you.